Fresh new set on a hoe. If you ain't paid for them, then bitch, you got to go. Bye.
Medium French tip, mommy. Put on some black tights and my foam runners.
No one else was really big up.
The French tip. Eat. Hey guys, it's your girl Des back with another video. As you can tell by the title, today's video I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. So we're going to be getting our hair done, lashes, nails. I want to get a pedicure, my eyebrows waxed, all that fun stuff. So right now I am at Chick-fil-A. I'm about to get Chick-fil-A to start the day off. And today is nails. My appointment is until 6:15 though. So for right now we're going to get Chick-fil-A. And I want to work out today too. Money, 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 money. Money. Money, 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 money. But yeah, I'm about to get my nails done. So let me show y'all the fit. I just put my hair in a little slick bag, you feel me. This little green workout two-piece is from Shein. I have my black tail for. I haven't worn my black tail in so long, y'all. Literally so long. Oh, I want to put on a ring because I'm getting my nails done. Put on this ring. So I always wear this joint. And I have on my sparkly Crocs because I don't have no black shoes. I don't want the black Uggs. And then we're gonna put on my black top, my black puffer, and this is from Zara, y'all. It's super cute. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to put on some perfume. Yeah, just put on this. Because me personally, I like to smell good. I like, you walk past me, like, oh, you smell good. Oh, she smells good. Like, I like it. And I'm going to put on this roll-on Burberry Her that I got. And I don't even like roll-ons. Like, I don't know. I don't even know why I have this, but whatever. Okay guys, so I just got back home and these are the end result of my nails. Just got some like medium French tip, mommy, you know. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair. And I'll see y'all probably tomorrow when I get my hair done. Okay guys, now we are gonna get dressed. I just put the claw clip in. And for today's fit, okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna go in with is this Essentials hoodie. I got this from the Battery Factory for the Lolo, and I'm telling y'all this because I love y'all. But the shipping did take like a little bit long, and it didn't say it was pre-order or anything, but maybe they just be busy, I don't know. But yeah, okay guys, so this is the end result fit check. We got the Essentials hoodie, Gucci bag. I put on some black tights and my foam runners. Super cute, comfy. Yeah, my best friend is gonna pick me up, so see you guys. Okay guys, so we got the bald cap on.
Lamb chops good shit.
When you make them, bring me one. Stop acting like that.
Lamb chops for 4 chops. It's
You will eat for
Literally for 4.
I'm going.
I would've been like, oh no, you gotta get like some out of it right now. Like, who you talking to? I would've got mad. I was sick. And it's crazy because I just had lunch. If I say a little bit more, I just was confused as to why she kept going. Like at first it was giving me was playing.
Right.
Yeah, like, and it was gonna take time y'all was playing, but if I seen that she kept going, I would've definitely touched her out real big. So to get out. I was like, sorry, right? Like you can't do it. She gotta leave right now.
It's not really nothing for you to argue about because I don't know her. You know what I mean?
That's all she kept saying.
You said you don't like me because I didn't say hi to you.
And you kept saying you don't know me, so why you keep talking to me? They go both ways about something. I love you so you talk to me. You literally are the only one that you done.
Right.
Just bother and dumb and hype. And old fucking night up.
She said she was 25 and grown, honey.
Alright, old ass.
She's 20.
25.
Like 25, not that old.
No, but fuck, I'm supposed to say, oh my god, 25. Let me shut up.
Like I just think
Talking about that shit?
but you still going back and forth.
That's what I'm saying.
What do you think?
What do you think?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I don't really do too much about talking about what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this.
That's what I'm saying. But I was high,
It
so
just be all talk, all done.
I don't know that's high.
What the fuck?
Y'all should have do something with that.
It's looking cute.
But it was like I still rather not do too much because it was a client and like
I was too kind.
yeah, and then I was like, you started paying something because she's still going.
Yeah, me packing up my shit, getting ready to go, and bitch, you still going. I would have started throwing my hands.
She didn't know me.
What you think? Okay.
She kept messing with me.
Oh yeah.
Wait, what?
She kept messing with me.
I think it's really cute.
She kept messing with me.
Side part,
I
mommy.
was a fucking bully. I said, bitch, you think you gonna bully me? You're not gonna bully me.
I want you to real right. You need to like this.
Okay guys, this is the end result of the hair. We just got side part with the comb.
Yeah, like that's how I'm feeling about it.
I've never did side part, so I think this is super cute. Let me know what y'all think. Okay guys, so I just got some food from Tasties. If you're in Philly, check it out. It's really good. I got the salmon, the mac and the yams. Gonna tear this joint up. Bookie. You know you gotta mix the mac with the yams. Okay guys, it's the next day. It's Friday, December 23rd. It's currently 1:57. My lash appointment is at 2:30. So I just threw on this red hoodie. It's giving me like Christmas vibes. I have on black tights and I was gonna throw on my black Telfar bag. I have my hair in a claw clip, but so I don't want to recurl my hair just to lay on them. Let me get my lashes done, but that's how the hair is given. One day later, who's calling me? Hold on. YouTuber gal. Okay guys, these are our fits. Go ahead, sing.
So I just have a little black hoodie on, some black tights, my Gucci purse, and I'm gonna put on some chestnut Uggs.
And then I just have on this red hoodie from Fashion Nova, black tights, Gucci bag, and I'm probably gonna put on some. You wearing black Uggs?
No, the chestnut ones.
Oh, I'm probably gonna wear black. Yeah.
And some, you know, cool winter fits.
Yeah, like, Gucci girls, Gucci bags.
Gucci's love. Girls love Gucci.
Yes, so we'll see y'all at our lash up. Okay, so
Fresh new set on a hoe. If you ain't paid for them, then bitch, you got to go.
bye. Like, we both said it.
It's
Crazy.
I have to put that in mind too.
But we're gonna get our toes done and we're gonna get eyebrow waxes. So what's up? Hey y'all, so currently I am about to go get my toes done. The fit for today is this white t-shirt. I got on this little black jacket. I got on gray sweatpants, sneakers, and my Gucci bag. It's really cute. You feel me? So yeah, I'm with my crew and we're about to get our toes done. Currently sitting. Hey guys, these are the end result of my toes. I just got white. They're super soft now. Well, they've been soft, but you know, feel good. The French tip. Eat. Okay guys, just got done getting my eyebrows done.